Changing the theme in Slack allows you to personalize your workspace for a better visual experience. Here's how to change the theme in Slack. Open Slack. Launch the Slack app on your desktop or log in through your web browser. Access Preferences. Click on your profile picture or workspace name in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. From the drop-down, select Preferences. This will open a new window with various settings. Navigate to Themes. In the Preferences window, click on the Themes tab on the left side. Choose your theme. Under the Themes section, Slack offers several pre-configured themes. Light and dark modes. Choose between a light or dark interface. Custom themes. Slack provides color customization options, such as changing the sidebar and background colors. You can either pick from the available themes or enter the hex color codes to create a completely custom theme. Apply the theme. Once you've selected a theme, it will be applied immediately to your Slack workspace. Save your theme. No need to save your settings manually. Your new theme will automatically be applied across all devices once you make the change.